Hi, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with video number 3 of my Destash. This is going to be lots 8, 9, 10, and 11. These are huge lots, high ticket items. Some of them can be found still in the collection. Some of them are harder to find. And some of them have been only slightly used or brand new. So, can't go wrong. Let's go into it. So, this is my Tailored Expressions lot. It includes the Gnome Sweet Gnome dies. So all the dies are in there. Put everything away. And then I have the Combo Club. So Combo Club last year was a stamp and stencil. And so I have 2 of them here. I believe these are exclusive. I don't think they'll be released. So this one is called Time to Fly. And I also have the accompanying filigree in flight die that goes with it. And then this one is called Time to Bloom. I also have the additional die. So those ones are hard to find. Okay, then I've got this one, which is Artsy Heart. And this was a free gift with purchase. It's not available just yet. I have this one, which I believe is available. It's called Fanfare Cutting Plate, but it was a free with purchase. And then I have this stencil, Daisy Dreams. Here is Both Ways Background Paradise. It was a Stamp Joy exclusive. And then I have Summer Nights stencil. I have the You Are Loved stamp and stencil combo. So it has the stamp and then the stencil. And then Giftables Pretty Pyramid. And then I have the Sun's Out background and stencil. I have Tag Stacklets 4. Then I have the Die and Foilet combo Beautiful Butterflies. And I have 2 of those. I also have the dies in here. The dies are in here, okay? And then we have the Beautiful Butterfly Wings. I believe they go together. Here is Bursting Blooms. And here is a stamp and stencil, these awesome blossoms. Thank you, fill in the blank, teacher. Here's this fill in the blank, love. This way. Okay. And then this one, we did this during one of the Pop and Create, I think. So it's the stamp and stencil and the die. And then this one right here. Floral Flurry. This is a Stamp Joy exclusive. And it's a stamp and stencil. And this one, which is the Fine Line Vine background. And Daisy Dreams, the die. So there's a stencil in there. And then here is the die. And then the Rockin' Rhombus folder. And then whenever you purchase something from Tailored Expressions, they give you a free stamp. So I have a bunch of the postage ones. I have almost duplicates of all of them, mostly all of them. And those are all included as well, all the duplicates that I have. And so that is that lot is $120, and it's number 8. So number 9, get everything out. This is number 9, and I don't, oh, here it is. Number 9 is a Not Too Shabby shop, and this one is $75 shipped. Remember, these are all shipped. So it includes the paper, the Fall Life, all of these plaids that are left. This one, which is the Lattes of Love. There's a lot of papers here. There's also, I think I've got something else in here too. It's most of the other papers I'm doing. This paper, which is the Sail-In paper. Hardly even used it. Tropical Hippos. I didn't use any of this. Brand new. Gnome Sweet Gnome, I think I used 1 or 2 pages in here maybe. I don't think I used this at all. This is Coffee and Treats paper. This is the Christmas Critter Basics. And then I have this stamp set and the dies. Oh, I have more paper. So I have the Tutti Frutti, plus I have some ephemera. And then I have this one, which is Sweeter Than Sugar, and the ephemera. I have the ephemera that goes with that Hippos. I have ephemera that goes with Sailing. And I have some ephemera that goes with the Latte Love one. Okay. And then I've got this stamp set, which is called Wanderlust Adventures. I have this one, which I did not use at all, which is Main Squeeze. I have this one right here, which also includes the dies, called Spring Coffee. I have this one and this one right here, this milkshake one. And this one right here, which is called Ocean Adventures and the dies. I have this one plus the dies for this. It's called Vacay Mode. I have these ephemera. This goes with this stamp set right here. I have this one, Tropical Leaves plus the dies. This one right here plus the dies. And then I have Enjoy This Life die. I have this Charlie die, and I have this Apple Shaker die. So that's number 9, and it's $75. Remember, that's all shipped. Okay, now we're on to number 10. Okay, so number 10 is $45, and it's Pink Fresh Studio. So this has just been released into their line, so going forward, all their stuff is going to be exclusive when you do an event. But I just have so much. But it is the die, the stamp, and the stencils, and this is just released, so it's brand new into their line, and that's what you can make. I also have this Modern Design Blocks cover plate. And then from the recent events that we did, I've got this one right here, which is the stamp and the stencil. So I think it's Winter Foliage. And this one's Holiday Foliage. The die and the stencil. So these were all just done recently in that event. And then I have these Crystal Mix Essentials, and this one is $45. Okay, so now we're on to the last one. This is number 11, and it's $50 shipped. Okay, so it's going to include all the Missies. So we have this Missies, this is Tatiana. We have this one, which is Miranda. This one, which is Melanie. And then we have these. And this is Anna and Bella. And then in here, we have a bunch of dies. Let's see here what we have. So we have this right here, and then we have all of these dies that you can use to cut everything up, and then with the faces, then you can make, I don't want anything to get lost. So everything is in here, and that's kind of like give you an idea of what you can make. And then here's this one right here and right here, and it's got all the dies and the stamps, and you can see that there's a ton in here. So this one is number 11, and it's $50. If you're interested in any of these, make sure to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Let me know what you would like. Payment will be PayPal, friends, and family. If you're still shopping, let me know, but when you're done shopping, I do expect you to pay right away so I can Get it moving. Thanks for watching. This is Sandy Crave the Heart.